I think all of my friendships have taught me that I'm good enough, you know? I've
Sure.
I've always thought that I was the shallow, superficial person. And I don't mean that
Mm,
since I mean that in like there's no depth of feeling to me. Like I don't love hard enough or I don't care
mm,
loud enough.
mm,
And I think my friendships all have taught me that I do love enough. I do love hard enough. And it has taught me that I am enough. It has taught me that I am fiercely loyal and
mm,
extremely protective of my
mm,
group. And I am and it taught me, it showed me that I am someone that shows up and
mm.
for people. And so I'm truly grateful for the lessons that I've learned within my friendships.